Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHAR 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called Your Subconscious Will Accept Your Blueprint. This was the topic which I covered on the last video. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic called The Science and the Art of True Prayer. This topic, friends, okay? This is 60 number topic and the name of the topic is friends, The Science and Art of True Prayer. So let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The term science means knowledge, which is coordinated, arranged, and systemized. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the term science means knowledge, which is coordinate, arranged, and systemized, friends. Okay. Let us think of the science and art of true prayer as it deals with the fundamental principle of and life and the technique and the process of which they can be demonstrated your life. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, let us think about the science and the true art of the prayer as it deal with the fundamental and the principal techniques and the process which it is demonstrated by the life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, as well as in the life of human being he applies them faithfully. So in a way, in a human being life, how he can apply it in a complete faithful way, it is also very important, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, the art is your technique or process. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling basically telling the art is completely a technique or a process, and the science behind it is a definite process of creativity mind of your mental picture or thought. And also the science behind this, it is complete like a creativity, like a mental or a mind picture, whatever mental picture we create in our mind, it is like a picture in a way, friends. Okay, so here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, ask and it shall be given to you. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, ask, then only you will get it. Seek and ye shall find, knock and it shall be opened for you. Yea and it shall find, and knock it shall open for you. So here it is written Matthew chapter 7 verse 7. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, up to the moment you will not ask from something from the nature, you're not going to get it. So if you want, you need to ask, and if you ask, you will definitely get it, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, here you are told you shall receive that for which you ask. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, here you are told you are going to receive the thing which you ask, friends. Okay, and which you do not ask, you are not going to receive it. It shall be open to you when you knock. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, it is only going to be open for you whenever you knock, and up to the moment you do not knock, it is not going to open for you. For example, if you go in anybody's house, if you knock, then only that person is going to open the door, and if you do not knock, he's not going to open the door. It happens in the same way, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic, and you shall find that for which you are searching. The teaching implies the definiteness of the mental and the spiritual law. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, you will find that the things you are searching, it is going to you are going to get it, because everything depends upon the teaching implies on complete mental and spiritual law, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. There is always a direct response from the infinite intelligence of your subconscious mind to your conscious thinking. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling there is always a direct response from the infinite intelligence of our subconscious mind to our conscious thinking. Means our subconscious mind always keeps on awareing the conscious thinking so that we keep on being on the correct path, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. If you ask for bread, you will not receive a stone. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling if we ask for a bread, then we are not going to get a stone. You must ask believing if you are to receive. So we must always ask to believe if we are in a position to receive, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your mind moves from the thought to the thing. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our mind moves from the thought to a thing. Unless there is first an image in the mind. So up to the moment there is a image in our mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It cannot move, for there would be nothing for it to move towards. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling if we do not have an image in our mind that we need to go in this place, we won't be able to go in that place because we do not have the any image in the mind. So means to go to that place we need a particular image and a particular visualization in our mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your prayer, which is your mental act, must be accepted as an image in your mind before the power of your subconscious will play upon it and make it productive. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling whatever prayer we think, it should be like a thought, and whatever we want to manifest in our life, that only should be our prayer. Then only our subconscious mind is going to manifest that thing in our day-to-day life, friends. Okay, otherwise it will not do. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. You must reach a point of acceptance in your mind, an unqualified and undisputed state of agreement. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we must reach a acceptance of a mind where our subconscious mind will accept, and it should be an undisputed state of agreement, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This contemplament should be accompanied by a feeling of joy and restfulness. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling this contemplation should be accompanied by a feeling of joy and restfulness, friends. Okay, in the foreseeing the certain accomplishment of your desire. So, we need to foresee our certain accomplishment of our desire. So, whatever we desire, we should see that we are already being accomplished by that desire, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The sound basis of the art and science of true prayer is your knowledge and complete confidence. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the sound basis of our art and the knowledge is the complete accomplishment and the complete knowledge that only is going to give success in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic that the moment of your conscious mind will gain a definite response from your subconscious. So at that moment only our subconscious mind will get a definite from the conscious up to the moment we do not give a prayer to it. So if we pray and if we ask for something, that we are going to get definitely get in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, which is one with boundless wisdom and infinite power. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling this is the one thing with the boundless wisdom and the infinite power. By following this procedure, your prayer will be answered. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling by following this procedure, our prayer will definitely be answered. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called the science and the art of true prayer. This topic I have covered. And friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called the visualization technique. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, friends. Okay.